Good morning, all. Our topic for the day is Karnaugh map. In the previous section, we discussed the simplification of logic expression using Boolean algebra. We know that it is very difficult because of it lacks specific rules to predict the most suitable next step in the simplification process, and it is difficult to determine whether we obtain the simplest form. Karnaugh map is a graphical method used to obtain the most simplified form of a logic expression. The logic expression may be in SOP, that is sum of product form, or in the product of sum form. The Karnaugh map or the K map is an array of squares or cells in which each square represents a binary value of the input variable. We know that in logic expressions, we have come across 2 variable expressions, 3 variable expressions, or 4 variable expression, etc. And the number of squares in a Karnaugh map equal to the total number of possible input variable combination. When we discuss in the case of some logic gates, if there is only 2 inputs, A and B, we know that there must be 4 different combinations. And in the case of 3 input, let it be A, B and C, then there must be 8 different combination. And if there are 4 variables, there must be 16 different combination. Then we can write it as, for the 2 variable, the number of square is 2 square, that is equal to 4. And for 3 variables, the number of squares is 2 cube, that is 8. And for 4 variable, the number of squares is 2 raised to 4, 60. First, we go to the lowest case, that is 2 variable Karnaugh map. Here, the figure shows a 2 variable Karnaugh map. Here we consider AB as the variable. As there is only 2 variable, we know that there must be 4 squares. Here also there is an array of 4 squares, and here the variable a is written here, and we know that for this variable it may be the value 0 or 1. That is, it may be in the 2 states in A or A bar. Okay, and in the case of B, there must be 2 different possibilities, that is 0 and 1. And in the case of 2 variable Karnaugh map, we write the 2 binary values of A in the left of the Karnaugh map and the value of B right in the top. Here in the figure, it shows only one of the representation. In different books, there must be different representations. Here, it is only one of the representations. And we now write some values in the squares. That is, first one is 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. It is nothing but it is the position values. Look at here. This value in this square represents the product A and B. As it is 0, 0, it is A bar and B bar. In the Karnaugh map, if A0 is seen, it represents for a bar, and then it is 0, 0 is A bar, B bar. And when we move to the next one, it is 0, 1. First position is for A and the second position for B. Then this represents A bar B. And here 1, 0. 1, 0 represents it is AB bar. And the 1, 1 represents AB. That is, the upper left corner 0, 0 represents, that is A bar, B bar, and the lower right corner 1, 1 represents AB. Okay. When we look at these values, it is binary 0 and it is binary 1, it binary 2 and it is binary 3. Okay, and we can represent it is in this way, where in this diagram we represent the position values in the decimal number. Here 0 0, it is 0, and 0 1 1, and 1 0. In the binary number, 1 0 represent 2 in the decimal number, and 1 1 represents 3 in the decimal number. Okay, then we have to remember this one. This position must be remembered. Then we can obtain a two variable Karnaugh map easily. Okay, next we go to some details about two variable Karnaugh map. The figure shows an unfilled two variable Karnaugh map or K-map, and now we put the position values. Now consider an example, that is a logical expression is given as y is equal to a bar b bar or ab. It is a two variable expression. There are only two variables, a and b. We know that it is in the form SOP, that is sum of product term, and we know that a bar b bar is a product term and ab also a product term, and it is also known as min term. Okay, then we can also represent this logical expression or this Boolean expression. The corresponding truth table must be this one, because of the value of y must be high when a bar b bar is equal to 1 or when ab is equal to 1. Okay, then for 0 0 0 0 means it is a bar b bar, a bar b bar. Then when a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, a bar must be equal to 1 and b bar must be equal to 1, then this quantity must be high, then it is 1. And here in the truth table we express the values of a b, and we know that when the product ab is high, it is a ANDing term. Then when a and b must be equal to 1, the output must be equal to 1, then it is 1 1, it is 1. It is the truth table corresponding to the given Boolean expression y is equal to a bar b bar or ab. And we can represent this Boolean expression as, or the truth table it represents, it is an SOP, sum of product. That is, here 0 represents, it is y is high for 0 0. 0 0 means in the binary it is 0, and y is high for 3. 3 means in binary 1 1. Okay, then we represent the SOP representation of the Boolean expression y is equal to sum of min term of 0 or 3. Okay, it is a SOP form. SOP means sum of product term. You must efficient to obtain a truth table from a Boolean expression and a Boolean expression from a truth table. And now we go into how we obtain a K-map from the truth table or from the Boolean expression or from the SOP form. Okay, and here we given the form of two variable K-map. Okay, then we know that the output is high for 0 and 3. Then we have to write a 1 for the position 0 and position 3. We have to write a 1 in the position of 0 and in the position of 3. Then here we going to fill it in the positions 0 and 3. We write 1 each, and the remaining positions, that is for 1 and 2, that is there must be 0. It is the Karnaugh map for the given Boolean expression y is equal to a bar b bar or ab, or we can say that it is the K-map for y is equal to sum of product 0 and 3, or it is the K-map for the given truth table. Okay, from this SOP term we can simply say that we have to put a 1 in the position of 0 and in the position of 3. Okay, or we can also say that from here we know that y is equal to a bar, y is equal to a bar b bar or ab. To obtain a K-map right from here, we have to look at the minterm or the products. Here the product a bar b bar, and we know that it is in the first position. In the first position it is the position of a bar and b bar. Reason is here it is 0 and 0, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 1 1. Then it is the, we can say that it is the position of, it is a position of 0 0, and it is the position of 0 1, and it is the position of 1 0, and it is the position of 1 1. This 0 0 means it is A bar B bar, it is A bar B, it is A B bar, and it is A B. Then we have to put a 1 for A bar B bar. Then we write a 1 in these two positions. That is, we write a 1 in the two positions, and we write the zeros in the remaining positions. Okay, then we can simply obtain the K-map from the logical expression also. And now we obtain the K-map directly from the truth table. For that, look at here. For the values of 0 0, the output is 1. Okay, then look at these combinations or the previous written terms, that is 0 0, then here 1, and in the truth table we know that for 1 1 the output is also 1. Then we write for 0 0, put a 1 here, and for 1 1 also put a 1 here. Then we put 1 for 0 0 and for 1 1. The remaining 2, that is 0 0. Okay. Then you have to obtain the K-map from the SOP or from the Boolean expression or from the truth table. Okay. Next, we go to more examples. Okay. Here we given a truth table. Okay. And now we go to write the SOP from the truth table. The SOP means the product. That is, look at the truth table. The output is high only for the last term. Last term, that means for 1 1. For 1 1, the output is high. We know that 1 1 means it is AB or it is for 3. Then we write SOP as y is equal to sum of SOP of 3. Okay. Then we express the Karnaugh map. We put a 1 for the position 3 only. Okay. The remaining positions are 0. And from here, from the Karnaugh map, here only a 1. Then the logical expression must be equal to what? Y is equal to AB. Y is equal to AB. It is the logical expression. For the next case, we write the SOP first. Y is equal to sum of product of 1 and 2. It means the output is high for 0, 1, binary 0, 1 and binary 1, 0. For the remaining, it must be equal to 0. Then first we obtain the truth table from this SOP. What we do? For the position of 1, 1 means in binary, that is 0, 1. And for the position 0, 1, we have to put a 1 here. And for the position of 2, here is the position of 2, that is we have to put a 1 here. We have to put a 1 here and a 1 here. Then there is 2 ones. And for the remaining, it must be equal to 0. Then we obtain a truth table from the SOP, and then we express the Karnaugh map. Okay, the Karnaugh map is for the position of 1 and position of 2, there must be 1 and the remaining must be equal to 0. And now we going to obtain what will be the Boolean expression or the logical expression. And look at this one. And here the position is, okay, for the position A is 0. A is 0 means A bar, B is 1. It is A bar B. And for here, it is AB bar. Then the logical expression must be the sum of 1 and 2. That means Y is equal to A bar B or AB bar. Okay. Y is equal to, this position is for A bar B. The reason is A is 0. That means A bar. Okay. Then A bar B is 1 for this position. Then A bar B, it is A is 1 and B is 0, AB bar. Then the sum of these two, that is, it is a OR. Then A bar B or AB bar. The two variable K map is very simple, and when we confident in the two variable case, then we can obtain the higher levels. Okay. Now we go into obtain the truth table, logical expression, and the SOP form from a given K map. A K map is given here. Okay. From this, look at in which position a 1 here. Okay. It is the K map in the 4 given squares, only a 1 here. Okay. It is in the position, look at, it is A is 0. That means A bar. Okay. It is A bar B. Okay. And to obtain the truth table, first we fill the position of 1. 1 is in the position 0, 1. Okay, it is in the position it is the position of 1 or it is in the position 0, 1, and we must put a 1 here. Okay, and the remaining must be equal to 0. And now we going to write the SOP, that is 1's position. Okay, it is 0, 1, or we write it is 1. Okay, and then we express it is A bar B. Okay, one more example. Okay, and another K-map, 2 variable K-map, and here look at the position. It is A is 1 and B is 0. Then it is in the position A B bar. It is in the position A B bar, or it is in the decimal. It is in the position of 2. Okay, then first we write the logical expression. Logical expression is A B bar. Okay, then we have to write the sum of product, SOP form. It is in the position of 2, and finally we obtain the truth table, where we have to write the 1. You have to write the 1 in the position for 2, that is we have to put a 1 here. Okay, then put a 1 here, then the remaining is filled with zeros. Okay, then we stop the 2 variable case, then we go to the 3 variable case. We know that in the 3 variable case there must be how many squares? 2 cube, or that is 8. Then it may represent in this way. Here that is 8 squares, or we can represent in this way. Here also it is 8 squares. The difference is, in the first case, one variable is written in left and the other 2 in the top, and in the second case 2 variable in the left and 1 variable in the top. Okay, and here we have to look at these values, and here only in the 2 case there is 8 squares. Here we use A, B, C are the variables. We can also use any 3 letters as variables. It may be P, Q, R, or X, Y, Z, anything. Okay, and when we express a Boolean expression, let Y is equal to some expression, then we have to write here, we have, let it be Y is equal to some A bar B C or A B bar C, then we have to write y here. Y is equal to, that means the output of the Karnaugh map is represented as y. Then we have to use that y when we write the truth table. Okay. We can also use the variables as PQR or XYZ, anything. Okay. And now look at this representation. And in the previous case, in the two variable case, only two variable, we know that for A only two cases 0 and 1, and for B only 0 and 1. Then we write 0, 1, and in the upper side also we write 0, 1. Okay, that format must be obeyed. Okay, when we write 0, 1, we have to write in the up 0 and 1, not write 1, 0. Okay, and here also, here we write 0, 1, and when we moving to the right, we express it as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here, when we moving from one square to another, okay, only one literal must be varied. Okay, that is the position of this one. We know that it is 0, 0, 0, and the next one is 0, 0, 1. The last 0 is changed as 1. Okay, only one variation. Then here 0, 0, 1, 1. Here it is 0, 0, 1, and the middle 0 is changed as 1. Then it is 0, 1, 1. And in the last case, okay, it is 0, 1, 0. That means the last one is changed as 0. It is not in a order. Look at here, 0, 1. In the decimal, look at here, 0, 1, 3, 2. And not in order in the binary case also. It is binary 0, it is binary 1, and it is binary 3, and it is binary 2. Okay, then it is different. Then we must you must be very careful to this sequence. And in our discussion, we only use the lower one. Here also, the AB2 variable is written in the left side. AB in the left and C in the up. Here also, look at here, it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0. In the similar case, but is the position is different. That means, look at this one, 0, 0, 0, it is 0, 0, 0, 1, it is 1, 0, 1, 0, it is 2, 0, 1, 1, it is 3. Next is 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 in binary is 6. 1, 1, 1, it is 7. Then 1, 0, 0, it is 4. 1, 0, 1, it is 5. Then 1, 1, 0, it is 6. 1, 1, 1, it is 7. 1, 1, 0, it is 8. 1, 1, 0, it is 9. 1, 1, 0, it is 10. 1, 1, 0, it is 11. 1, 1, 0, it is 12. 1, 1, 0, it is 13. 1, 1, 0, it is 14. 1, 1, 0, it is 15. 1, 1, 0, it is 16. 1, 1, 0, it is 17. 1, 1, 0, it is 18. 1, 1, 0, it is 19. 1, 1, 0, it is 20. 1, 1, 0, it is 21. 1, 1, 0, it is 22. 1, 1, 0, it is 23. 1, 1, 0, it is 24. 1, 1, 0, it is 25. 1, 1, 0, it is 26. 1, 1, 0, it is 27. 1, 1, 0, it is 28. 1, 1, 0, it is 29. 1, 1, 0, it is 30. 1, 1, 0, it is looking at the values in the squares 0, 1, 2, 3, and not 4, 5 here. It is 6, 7, and the last is 4, 5. Okay. Then must be careful about that. We consider only these cases. Here we represent 0, 0, 0 means 0, 0, 0, or what will be the corresponding expression, logical expression? It is A bar. For this position, it must be equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. For the position of 7, it is A, B, C. And for the position of 3, it must be equal to A bar, B, C. Okay. Keep in mind that when we seeing a 0, there must be a bar. Okay. And here 0, 1. 0, 1 means it is A bar, B. It is A bar, B bar. It is A bar, B. It is A, B. And it is A, B bar. And here it is C bar and it is C. Then this column, we can say that it is the position of A bar, B bar, C bar, and the last one, it is the position of bottom right corner must be, that is the position of 5, that is A, B bar, C. Okay. The position of 6, that is A, B, C bar. The position of 4, A, B bar, C bar. Okay. Now we go into some examples. Here represents the positions of 3 variable K-map. As we discussed in the 2 variable case, you have to put 1 for each SOP term, and here we represent the other format. It is for convince you that if we use both the representation, the result must be the same. And here we use the SOP of 0, 5, 6. What this means? The output must be high for 0 and 5 and for 6. For the 3 cases, the output must be high, and the remaining, how many cases remaining? We know that it is a 3 variable K-map. For a 3 variable, there must be different 8 combinations. In the 8 combination, only three cases here, that is 0, 5 and 6. Then there must be remaining 5 cases, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. Okay. And for the SOP, we can obtain the truth table as. How can we obtain the truth table? We have to put A1 for the position 0. Okay. We have to put A1 here and A1 here and A1 here. We have to put A1 here and in the position of 5 and in the position of 6. Okay. Then we put 3 ones. Okay. Then the remaining must be zeros. Okay. Then it is the truth table corresponding to the SOP 0, 5, 6. And then we going to obtain its K-map. What we have to do? We have to put A1 in the positions of 0 and 5, 6. In this format, we have to put A1 in the position of 0 and in the position of 5 and in the position of 6. Then first we obtain this case. Look at here in the position, first position, that is 0th position, here 1, and the position of 6 A1 and in the position of 5 A1. The remaining quantities must be equal to 0. And the other pattern, and look at here A1 and here A1 and here A1. The remaining must be 0. And what will be the expression? What will be the Boolean expression? Look at here, Boolean expression. Here, this one represents the position of 0, 0, 0. That means A bar, B bar, C bar. And A bar, B bar, C bar, or that means plus this position, that is A is 1. Okay. Then A, B bar, C, or A, B, C bar. Okay. Y is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, A, B bar, C, or A, B, C bar. Okay. And from here, look at 0, 0, 0. That means A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay. The next is here A, B, C bar. And the next is A, B bar, C. Okay. We know that it is the position of 5, it is the position of 6, and it is the position of 0. Okay. Then we write the expression y is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar, or A, B bar, C, or A, B, C bar. Okay. Next, we go to the the expression is SOP form of y is equal to sum of product of 1, 2, 4, 7. 1, 2, 4, 7. For these 4 cases, the output is high. Okay. Then from this SOP, we have to obtain truth table, Boolean expression, and K-map. Okay. First, we write the K-map. Directly, we can obtain the K-map. That is, we know that the positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then look at the position of 1, position of 2, and position of, it is position of 7, and it is the position of 4. We know that the positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once more, positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then first position, the 2's position, 4 position, and 7 position. It is the K-map. Okay. And the truth table is, look at the position of 1 high, position of 2 high, and position of 4 high, and position of 7 high. Okay. And here we don't write the Boolean expression because of, in these cases, the Boolean expressions can be simplified. Okay. Then after studying the simplification, then we can go to write it. Okay. And here another K-map is given. That is, here the K-map is given. From the K-map, we have to write the SOP and the truth table. Okay. Here look at the positions. It is for the position. First one, it is position of 3, and it is the position of 6, it is the position of 7, and it is the position of 5. Then 3, 5, 6, 7. Then we can write the SOP as y is equal to sum of 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then what will be the truth table? In the truth table, we know that it is 3. For 3, it must be equal to high, and for 5, it must be high. It is 6, it is high, and it is 7, and y is high. The output is high for 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And here also, we never write the Boolean expression now. Okay. Then we go to the 4 variable case. It is a 4 variable K-map. And here also, the positions in the decimal number are represented. Okay. And look at the diagram. There is 16 squares. We know that for the 4 variable, 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 16 squares, that is starting from 0 to 15. There are 16 squares. Okay. And here in the case, we use A, B, C, D as the variables. As before, we can use any 4 variables. It may be P, Q, R, S or X, Y, Z, K, something, anything. Any 4 variable can be used. Here we use A, B, C, D are the variables. Okay. And here the value of AB is written in left side and the value of CD written in the top. Okay. And we must care about the sequence, that is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. As we mentioned before, when we moving from one square to another, the adjacent one, only one literal must be varied. Only one literal must be varied. Okay. For this position, it is 0 0 0 0. It is 4 variable map. Then it is for this position, it is 0 0 0 0 means it is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay. Then we know that the binary equivalent for the 10. 10 means 1 0 1 0. It is 1 0 1 0. Then the representation must be, what will be the representation? A, it is A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D bar. And we know that for this position, for the position of 4, A bar, B, A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Okay. Here we know that the value of a given square must be obtained from the combination of the value given in the left and the value given in the top. Okay. Here for the 9, 1 0 in the left and 0 1 in the top, then 1 0 0 1. That means A, B bar, C bar, D. Okay. For example, the upper right corner, that means here, upper right corner, that is 0 0 0 0. That means A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Okay. And the lower left corner. Okay. Here there is some mistake in the typing, and here it is the upper left corner, that is 0. That is 0 0 0 0. And here the lower right corner and left and right here changed. That is here for the 10 position, that is A, B bar, C, D bar. Okay. You have to note what is the corresponding binary number and if it is, for an example, 6. For the 6, the binary number in the 4-bit representation 0110. Then for that 6, the corresponding product term must be equal to A bar, B, C, D bar. Okay. Now we go to the a 4-variable K-map example. Here in the figure, the positions are represented, and we consider ASOP, that is sum of product 16714. 16714. It means that there must be a high output for 1, 6, 7, and 40. In the K-map, there must be a 1 for the values. Here, first one, the positions 1, 6, 7, and 40. And here in the 4 positions, we marked as, okay, there must be a 1 and the remaining must be equal to 0. Okay. Then we can draw it that in this way. Look at here, the 1's position, and it is the 6th position, and it is the 7th position, and it is the 14th position, and the corresponding truth table is given. Look at, for the 1 position it is high, and for the 6th position it is high, and for the 7 it is high, and for the 14 it is high. Okay, and it is the 4-variable K-map for the given SOP, and it is the corresponding truth table. Now we conclude this session. Here we discuss the details about the K-map, and in the later sessions we have to discuss how we can use the K-map representation to simplify a Boolean expression. The advantage of K-map representation is, from K-map we get the most simplest form of the logical expression. It must be with minimal terms and with minimal literals. Okay. We will discuss the simplification in the next session. Okay, thank you.